to take a challenge for this reading passage. This is a typical IELTS reading passage number 3, where you are getting fill in the blanks like these with the help of list of words. This is not an ordinary fill in the blanks. Definitely you have to select from these list of words. And for this reading I have already solved multiple choice questions and yes no not given. So if you can solve this reading passage within limited time, 22 minutes or 20 minutes, okay, then definitely you can straight away book your IELTS exam. If you can solve it and you are getting after 13 or 14 questions, if you are getting 10 marks, 10 correct answers, you can book your IELTS exam, I am telling you. So let's do this reading passage. So let me introduce myself. I am Monika from IELTS 9. In previous video I have done this yes no not given and MCQ. Now I will be solving this complete the summary with proper explanation and location of these questions. So this reading was reported by some sources, and this reading was reported for January 2026 IELTS exam in Saudi Arabia, and this is a typical reading passage number 3, and the title is The Future of Fish. Okay, so let's do complete the summary using the list of words. So how we will be doing it, I will just do practice with me. That's a request from my side. Okay, other things it's all up to you. You can subscribe, you can like, you can hype, and you can do positive comments on my channel. Thank you so much in advance. Let me take my pen for this. Okay, so let's do this. Let's read the instructions first. What the instructions say: complete the summary using the list of words A to J. Okay, so they have given a title for these two paragraphs: measures to protect the oceans. Okay, so first we can read all the options over here within 10 seconds. Action, controls, failure, fish catches, fishing, fish processing, fishing techniques, large boats, marine reserves, the land, the past. Okay, so in answer sheet in front of question number 9 to 14, we will not write these words. We will write only alphabets. Here it is clearly given A to J. Alphabet, suppose ninth answer is A, number action catches. Then action catches we will not write. We will write only A in capital letter. Okay, so now how to get correct answers? First we will read the statement, we will select the keywords. Same strategy for every question. We will read the statement, we will select the keywords, we will understand the meaning of also. Up till the 20th century, the words supply of fish was sufficient for its needs. Okay, it was unnecessary, means not necessary, to introduce something, okay, of any kind, because large areas of the oceans were inaccessible. So up to 20th century, the word supply of fish was sufficient for its need. It was unnecessary to introduce. Okay, so my keyword is 20th century. Okay, 20th century, I think they were talking in first paragraph. Okay, and it was something unnecessary, it was something not necessary to introduce something of any kind, because large areas of the ocean were inaccessible. However, as improved, something has improved, this situation changed, and in the middle of the 20th century, policies were introduced to regulate something. Okay, now I will not read this second. Let's try to solve this first paragraph. Up to 20th century, so 20th century word it is here, and 20th century here. Up till the 20th century, it means we need to read it little bit above also. The face of the ocean has changed completely since the first commercial fisheries cast their nets and hooks over 1,000 years ago. Same kind of reading speed you need to develop for getting 9 band scores in IELTS reading. Okay, so I am not saying without understanding, but little bit you need to understand while you are just reading it like that. Fisheries intensified over the centuries, but even by the 19th century, it was still felt justifiable that the plentiful resources of this sea some resources, okay, sea were for the most part beyond the reach of fishing. So there was little need to restrict fishing or create protected areas. Okay, little need to restrict. See this? It was unnecessary to introduce. So there was little need to restrict fishing. So what will come here? There was little need to introduce, because paraphrasing they have given same to same words, they will not use, writer will not use. So it was unnecessary. So here it is given, so there was little need to restrict fishing or create protected areas. Okay, so it was unnecessary to introduce action catches, no. Controls, I can't say. Failure will not come because nothing is given about failure. Fish catches are they talking? Need to restrict fishing of any kind. Fish processing, fishing techniques, large boats, marine reserve the land. It means because it was unnecessary to introduce controls of any kind. Although control is not given, only restrict word is given. So unnecessary is little need to restrict. To here it means restriction is to control will come here, B number. Okay, now next, full stop. However, as dash improved, this situation changed. Okay, the 20th century heralded an escalation in fishing intensity that is unprecedented, means that had never thought about in the history of the oceans, and modern fishing technologies leave fish no place to hide. It means now what they are talking, modern fishing technologies leave fish no place to hide. So every, with the use of camera or nets and all, so these technologies are finding fish and no place left for these fishes to hide into the sea. It means, however, as improved. So what they have improved? Modern fishing technology. So here fishing technology word it is given, fishing techniques it is given, instead of fishing technology they have used fishing techniques. So here we can use F number question. Okay, this situation changed, and in the middle of 20th century policies were introduced to regulate something they have regulate in the middle. So 19th century it is also given, it was still felt justifiable that plentiful resources of the fee. Okay, so policies were introduced to regulate something they want to regulate. Action catches, fish, yes, to regulate fish catches we can write. So of course today the only refugees from fishing are those we deliberately create. Unhappily, the sea trails far behind the land in terms of area and quality of protection given. So you can see policies were introduced to regulate fish catches, because so what we have understood in the first paragraph, they are saying fish techniques improved, this situation changed, and in the middle of 20th century policies were introduced to regulate fish catches. Here D will come. Okay, so fishing, see this, restrict fishing word is also given. So regulate to restrict, so here also same thing is given, like they are to introduce controls it is given, to introduce regulate fish catches will come here, D number. Now coming to second, although I have not found this middle of the 20th century, I think now I am guessing that here also you need to guess something. 20th century they have started talking, and modern technologies leave no fish to hide. Today only refugees from fishing are those. I think they are talking this, maybe this, but I have just taken the answer from here. Little need to restrict fishing. Policies were introduced to regulate fishing. Now coming to 12th, These policies have not succeeded. Okay. Today by comparison with. Now comparison, somewhere comparison is given. The oceans have very legal protection. Now my important word is comparison. So comparison word you may not get proper comparison, but legal protection word we can get. Somewhere protection word, create protected areas, it was given. No, but we are looking for comparison with and legal protection. Okay, let me shift the page. So in second paragraph, this is second paragraph. So we have done with first paragraph. Let's do second. These policies. So still I'm not getting where the policies they are talking. So policy sentence, it was in policy word, it was in second last paragraph I guess, but we will go also there. These policies have not succeeded today by comparison with. Some comparison as I told you. So compared word I have found it here. So these despite the doubts that many, no sorry, I was doing 12th. These policies have not succeeded today by comparison with dash the oceans have very little legal protection. Okay, so here comparison word is there. Protected area also I have got it. Yes, now we can read it. On land, protected areas have proliferated as human population have grown here compared to the sea. We have made greater headway in our struggle to maintain the richness and variety of wildness and struggle. So compared with sea. So it means land is compared with sea. So land also I can see the word land here. So here compared with the land, the oceans have very little legal protection. On land, so it is clear on land protected areas have proliferated as human population have grown. As here compared to the sea, we have made greater headway in our struggle to maintain rich and. So this comparison is about land. So here I will just write it I number. Okay. Now coming to 13. Despite the doubts that many officials have about the concept of dash, this should be the heart. So this I can take as a keyword action taken. Okay. So here this paragraph is done. Now let's read next also. Policy word I know where they were talking. I will take you there. Policy, here they were talking policy word. Okay, so let's see this what they are talking about policy. This I have already read. You can read it here. This approach has been tried and refined for 50 years. Fishery policies. So of course fishery policies they are not talking. Writer is not talking over here, but still you can use it. You can read it if you want. Then I will shift it to my next last paragraph. So here I was looking for heart also. Despite the doubts, we are squandering the wealth of oceans. If we don't break out of this cycle of failure, humanity will lose a key source of protein and much more besides. The oceans have very little. Okay, so I am reading last paragraph because let me clear this, then we will shift to last paragraph. Just a minute. Here this is the last paragraph. Here this word I have found it here. This marine reserves, here the same word is here, and heart of the, so same word is there. So I think this location 13th number we have got. Despite the doubts that many officials have about the concept of dash, these should be at the heart of any action taken. Marine reserves lie at the heart of the reform. So what reforms they are talking, might be talking here in this paragraph. So marine reserves they are talking. So here H we will just mark it here, H number. Okay. We can go a long way to avoid this catastrophic mistake with simple common sense management. Marine reserves lie at the, it means we are at the right location. So for finding this hard word I have taken so much time in last video, in fact that time. So next 14, these should be, okay, this done. Now let's read it from here. The consequences of further are very serious and may affect our continuing existence. So where we have got the location of 13, maybe above, maybe just below we can get, but These will not be sufficient if they are implemented only here and there to shore up the crumbling edifice of the rational fisheries management envisioned by scientists in the. We are looking for consequences. They have to be placed center stage as a fundamental for everything we do in the ocean reserves at a first. Okay, here nothing is given about consequence. We are squandering the wealth of oceans if we don't break out. Now you can see we haven't got the location. It means something they may be, writer may be discussing about 14th, maybe above the 13th location. So if we don't break out cycle of failure, humanity will lose a key source of protein and much more. Besides disrupting natural ecosystem process such as water purification, nutrient cycling, carbon storage could have ramification is consequences for human life itself. So same sentence structure we have got. The consequences of further are very serious and may affect our continuing means human, because of that our word continuing existence. See this life, human life itself that we have got, and ramification is the consequences. That's why we have got the correct answer. But what is the correct answer? I have got everything. So despite now you see the disrupting natural ecosystem. So failure word is also here and here also. So we will read it. If we don't break out of this cycle of failure, see this, the consequences of further failure are very serious and may even affect our continuing existence. So writer has combined from here to here, two sentences into one sentence. So here failure will come. See this, if you don't break, of course in actual exam you will not get such a long time. So I have solved it, that's why I am explaining it, how we can get. Just pick the correct keywords that will take you to the location. Okay, thank you so much.